How to fix message trouble sending problem. So if you want to fix the message trouble sending problem, then first you need to open up your message application. So tap on messages, and now you can go for the upper right, which has that profile icon. Under your profile, you need to go for message settings. Under message settings, if you scroll down here, you will have an option of advanced. Tap on advanced, and if you scroll down again here, you will have SMSC number, right? So what you need to do is, if you're being able to edit that number, then you can go back and then you can open up your Google or your Chrome browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for the number like SMSC number and enter the same name and the location in which you are right now. And here you can simply go for the searches, which is on the first, and here you will have all of the numbers, right? So what you need to do is you just need to copy the SMSC number from here. So for example, you will have this number, right? So you just need to copy the number from here. Once you've copied, you need to simply paste that exact number under this SMSC, and once you've pasted, your problem will be fixed. So you will get those problems if your number is different from what you have on your Google or on your browser. So just simply change the SMSC number and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your message trouble sending problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.